Reports allow users to gain insights across different aspects of their business on Clarra and can be used to assess performance or stay on top of important information. The reports section is divided into three parts: standard reports, custom reports, and Clarra Analytics. Reports update each time you generate them, ensuring all new data that meets the search criteria is included automatically. Clarra comes pre-installed with over 20 ready-to-use, out-of-the-box standard reports. Standard reports are divided by their given sections on Clarra, covering everything from accounting to users, and provide answers to frequently asked questions relevant to your business. Custom reports are easy to build, fully customizable tools that you can use to target specific information within Clarra. While standard reports cover many facets of Clarra, custom reports let you zero in with a tailored approach. Check out our article on our support site about Clarra Analytics for more information about that section and how it offers a streamlined and cohesive window into profitability. Let's go over two types of standard reports to get an idea of how quickly you can ask and answer questions on Clarra. Standard reports cover accounting, Clarra Docs, events, matters, timekeeping, and users. We'll begin with one of the reports in the comprehensive accounting section, the forecast report. The forecast report displays a projected revenue forecast and projected expense forecast for a specified period to help you anticipate financial performance and make informed budgeting decisions. When you click it, a filters menu pops up. You must select a date range, but all other filters are optional, allowing you to hone in as much or as little as you like. Let's say you want to see all projected revenue and expenses for this year. Open the date range, click this year, apply, and generate report. You'll see expected revenues across matters for the coming year, including a total at the bottom. You can edit selected filters from within the report as well. Maybe you want to be more specific and see the forecast for this year for a given matter. Select the matter and press apply. You'll now see anticipated revenues and expenses specifically for that matter. Some standard reports generate without a filter prompt, such as the Activity by Matter report. This report is extremely useful to ensure no matter gets left behind. It lists all active matters by date of the most recent timekeeping record, so you can easily identify matters that don't have recent activity. When managing many matters, a tool like this keeps any from falling through the cracks. Now let's take a look at building a custom report and how to utilize dynamic filters to keep your reports relevant as time passes. Let's say you want to see all your events for the coming week. First, select the section you want your report to draw data from. You can choose to create custom reports based on the contacts, matters, events, Clarra Docs, timekeeping, users, or communication sections. Make sure to select the section of the report before you enter the report name, as selecting a section clears the entered name. In this case, we're looking at events, so we'll call it All Events for the coming week. You can select which user roles have access to the report, or leave it blank so only you can see it. Next, choose the columns you would like to include in the report. Simply drag and drop the columns from Available to Selected. You can also rearrange the order of the columns with the same drag and drop method. You can also add sorting columns to define the report's default sort order. Click Add Sorting Column and select the column you would like to sort by. In this case, date would be particularly useful. And by selecting an ascending sort order, we'll see earlier dates first in the table. Finally, select your filters and utilize filter operators. Filtering in custom reports follows a column plus operator plus value sequence. The column is the field you are filtering by. The operator determines how that column is filtered, and the value defines the result you are looking for. This combination allows you to create custom filters that retrieve the exact information you want in a given context. If we want to see events for the next week, we need to include a date filter. With filter operators, we can create a dynamic range that updates continuously. Let's set the date parameters, starting with where results will begin. We select date as the column, is after as the operator, and today minus 1 as the value. This makes sure results will populate from today onwards, as we're creating a filter that essentially means after yesterday, so starting today. Next, we determine how far forward we would like to go. Once again, select date as the column, is before as the operator, and today plus 7 as the value. This means that the report will include results that occur before 7 days from now. These two filters work together to ensure we see results from today through the rest of the coming week. By using a dynamic filter instead of a fixed date range, the results will always be for the coming week relative to when you click the report. We'll add a couple more filters to specify our results. Select status as the column, is any of as the operator, and not done and in progress as the values. This makes it so that we only see events that have yet to be completed. Is any of is a useful operator for selecting multiple values. Finally, we indicate whose events we want to see. Assignees will be the column, is any of the operator, and our username the value. Press Create, and your report is ready. Back on the Custom Reports tab, click the newly created report, and you'll see all events for the coming week sorted by date.